Fergus makes it easy to reuse quotes, estimates, or invoices by copying them into new ones using the Favourites feature. This handy tool saves you time by eliminating the need to re-enter the same information repeatedly, so your quotes and invoices can be generated in just minutes. Let's get started. Start by navigating to the quote, estimate, or invoice you want to copy. Fergus allows you to save individual sections as a favourite for future use. Scroll to the section you'd like to save and click Save Section to Favourites. If the document has already been approved, you'll first need to click Inspect in the top right corner. Then scroll down and click the same Save Section to Favourites button. Quick note, if your quote has multiple sections, you'll need to save each section individually to your favourites. The saved section will be stored in a folder titled Saved from Quote, Estimate, or Invoice. Handy tip, you can reorganise your favourites by going to Settings, then Favourites on the left-hand menu. You can rearrange folders by dragging sections between them. Now, let's use a quote as an example. Imagine you're creating a new quote based on a favourite you previously saved. First, open an existing draft quote or start a new one. In the draft, scroll down and click Add Section from Favourites. Find the favourite you want to use, double-check the details such as quantities, and click Plus All to add it as a section. If you need to add multiple sections from favourites, simply repeat this process for each one. And that's it! You've successfully reused a previously saved favourite to replicate an old quote.